I started running when I was in elementary, grade 5. Mga parang 11 or 12 years old. But it's lang, out of curiosity.
I chose singing because it brings out a lot of me. Maybe when I'm dancing or when I'm doing other things, like it's 50%, but when I sing, it's like 100% of me talaga.
Actually, my first love talaga is basketball during that time. But sabi nung coach ko, I think meron kang mas may chance ka kapag sa running kasi nandyan na yung parang skill mo sa basketball. Kailangan mo ng height and more skills.
Hindi ko nga alam kung paano ko na-in love sa singing. Kasi before, hindi naman ako talaga kumakanta. Parang every time I try to sing, I learn something new from it.
Nagustuhan ko siya kasi every time na tumatakbo ako, puro positive yung naiisip ko eh.
When I make the crowd happy, or when I make them smile, when I see them super excited and super wanting for more of my performance, that's when I crave for the performance even more. Medyo
na-addict ako sa running. Parang yun na yung life ko, which is okay naman kasi naturuan niya ako how to manage my time and yung character mo, kung sino ka.
In our family, talagang na-influence kami ng music. When I want to feel something, I listen to this type of music.
Yung number one talagang key is yung education. Kasi ako, yun number one goal ko kung ba't ako nandito eh. And then second, kapag meron kang dreams, kailangan mo lang siyang i-pursue.
As long as you love what you're doing, you won't even have to think of balancing everything because hindi mo rin may isip na marami kang ginagawa eh.
Because of my past experiences, I can do more like running, coaching, doing my business. And because of that, I have the confidence of encouraging more people or inspiring more people to have a healthy lifestyle through my passion, and I'm very happy with that.
Once you find out what you really love in life and you know that you're gonna be doing this forever, all you have to do after that is practice and practice so you get to that goal. After all the practice that you've done, eventually you'll be a master of your craft. And when you're already the master, that means you'll have all the confidence in the world for you to be a success later on in your life.